Hey y'all, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shanice. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make these quick and delicious homemade pumpkin pancake. What's better than some pancake from scratch, guys? Light, fluffy, and super delicious. So to our bowl, we're going to combine 1 large egg, a cup of milk, and around a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. If you like a really pumpkin flavor, then use more pumpkin puree by all means. I'm using an entire tablespoon of vanilla extract because I love vanilla. I wouldn't normally measure it, but I'm doing it for the video. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I added my flour, my salt, baking powder. I'm gonna drop all the ingredients down below in the title, so go check it out, guys. Of course, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and what's a pumpkin pancake without pumpkin spice? Alright, so we're gonna combine all the ingredients together and we're gonna cook on medium flame for around 4 minutes. You wanna see those bubbles starting to appear before you flip your pancake. Serve hot with your favorite syrup, guys, and enjoy. Leave a comment, let me know how well yours turned out.